Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Everyone, welcome to our today's online class arranged by Daulatpur College, Daulatpur Kustia on behalf of National University. I hope everyone well. Alhamdulillah, I am also well by the grace of Allah. Dear learner, I am MD Amirul Islam, Assistant Professor, Department of Accounting, Daulatpur College, Kustia. Dear learner, everyone known worldwide affected coronavirus, and coronavirus affected not only our education sector, coronavirus affected all sector and lockdown. For this reason, our college administration arranges online class for you. Dear learner, you join our class with book, some sheet of paper and pen. Okay, dear learner, you stay at home and safety now the situation. Okay, my dear learner, let's get started to our class. Today our class for first year, BBA first year honors in accounting, principles of accounting, chapter 4, topics worksheet. Okay, dear learner, everyone share with me. I request, have you any problem, any question, comment me please. Dear learner, first of all, discuss your previous class and homework. I hope everyone completed homework. Have you any problem? No problem. Oh, no problem. Thank you. Thank you very much for your attentive and carefully join our online class and complete the homework. Okay, let's get started to our topic. Already you know today's topic is worksheet. Dear learner, what is worksheet? How we prepare a worksheet? How much step preparing worksheet? Already you have known by previous class and homework. Okay, but let's take a look our PowerPoint slide. Okay, we know 3 format of worksheet: 8 column, 10 column and 12 column. Generally we prepare 5 steps. Each step have 2 column, that is 10 column worksheet. Okay, dear learner, thank you. Okay, dear student, now we watch our PowerPoint slide. At first slide, again everyone welcome to our online class. You know, our college named Daulatpur College and our class BBA honors first year in accounting. I am Amirul Islam, Assistant Professor Daulatpur College, Daulatpur Kustia, and today's topic principles of accounting, today's topic worksheet. Okay, dear learner. At first we see our PowerPoint. A worksheet is a sheet of paper when summarizing the information for making adjusting entries, closing entries and financial statement. Okay. Another, the technique to show at a glance the trial balance, adjustment, adjusted trial balance, income statement and balance sheet is regarded as worksheet. Worksheet is optional account process. It is also called the working tools as supplementary device. Next slide. A worksheet is a multiple column. From that may be used in the adjustment process and in preparing financial statement. A worksheet not permanent accounting record. It is neither a journal nor a part of general ledger. Step in preparing a worksheet. You have already known worksheet preparing a 5 step. Step 1, preparing a trial balance on the worksheet. Step 2, adjustment. Step 3, adjusted trial balance. Step 4, income statement, and step 5, balance sheet. Okay, dear learner, the basic form of worksheet is three format of worksheet. Okay, number 1, 8 column worksheet, number 2, 10 column worksheet, and number 3, 12 column worksheet. Now use 8 column worksheet format, 10 column worksheet format, and 12 column worksheet format. At first, we use 8 column worksheet format. Okay, dear learner, our 8 column worksheet format, Messrs Bismillah Traders worksheet for the year ended December 31st, 2018. 8 column worksheet, 4 steps. You know, first step trial balance, second step adjustment, third step income statement, and fourth step balance sheet. Now we see 10 column worksheet. Okay, dear learner, 10 column worksheet, 5 steps: trial balance, adjustment, adjusted trial balance, income statement, and balance sheet. Now use 12 column worksheet: trial balance, adjustment, adjusted trial balance, income statement, retained earning statement, and balance sheet. Now use a question paper. Our question paper have a trial balance. The trial balance is the following is the trial balance of Messrs Bismillah Traders. You know, our problem, a trial balance and some adjustment. At first, we see our trial balance. The following is the trial balance of Messrs Bismillah Traders. Messrs Bismillah Traders trial balance December 31st, 2018. Account title, debit taka and credit taka. Cash, debit, account receivable, debit, prepaid insurance, debit, supplies on hand, debit, salaries expenses, debit, office equipment, debit, accumulated depreciation of office equipment, credit, accounts payable, credit, drawing debit, service revenue, credit, advertisement expenses, debit, rent expenses, debit, among miscellaneous expenses, debit, total taka, debit, 23 lakh, and total taka credit 23 lakhs taka. Okay, dear student. Okay, dear learner, some additional information or adjustment or other data same. Adjustment A, the balance in the prepaid insurance account represent the best of 5 years policy from 1st January 2018 through December 31st 2022. Next, adjustment B, salaries payable taka 20,000. Adjustment C, depreciation on the office equipment taka 30,000 for the year, and last adjustment D, supplies on hand on 31st December 2018 taka 30,000. Required prepare a 10 column worksheet. Okay, dear learner, you read question paper, trial balance and adjustment very carefully. You know, previous class and homework, adjusting entries and worksheet, we know, we discuss adjusting entries and worksheet. Okay, dear learner, now we solution adjusting entries at first. You know, prepaid insurance and insurance policy for 5 years. At first, adjusting entries, insurance expenses account debit and prepaid insurance account credit taka 36,000 and credit taka 36,000. Okay, dear learner, insurance expenses account debit taka 33, insurance expenses account debit taka 36,000 and prepaid insurance credit taka 36,000. Next adjustment, salaries expenses. Salaries expenses account debit 20,000 and salaries payable taka 20,000 credit. Depreciation expenses. Next, depreciation expenses on office equipment taka debit 30,000, accumulated depreciation account credit taka 30,000. Next, supplies expenses account debit taka 90,000 and supplies account credit taka 90,000. Okay, now we solution our problem, our requirement worksheet. Now we prepare a worksheet. You have already known, generally we prepare a worksheet 10 column. Our worksheet headline, Messrs Bismillah Traders, worksheet December 31st 2018. At first, account title. Next, first step trial balance, second step adjustment, third step adjusted trial balance, fourth step income statement and last step balance sheet. Okay, 5 steps. Each step have 2 column, that is 10 column worksheet. Okay, dear learner, at first we was our question paper trial balance. There have a trial balance. This trial balance copy and cut and paste our worksheet. Okay, you know, trial balance, our question paper, this trial balance at first copy, next cut and paste on our worksheet. Okay, our trial balance. Okay, we see first page worksheet of first page cash, account receivable, prepaid insurance, supplies on hand, supplies expenses, office equipment, accumulated depreciation of office equipment, accounts payable capital drawing. Okay, dear learners, in the meantime already you have known the format of 10 column worksheet, adjustment entries, you know adjustment entries is very essential for solution of our worksheet. Okay. At first we draw a format of worksheet. The format contains 5 steps and each step have 2 columns, that is 10 column worksheet. Okay. We follow our PowerPoint slide. We draw a worksheet format. Headline Messrs Bismillah Traders, worksheet December 31st, 2018. Account title, trial balance, first step, second step adjustment, third step adjustment, trial balance, next step income statement, and last step balance sheet. Trial balance 2 column, debit column, credit column, adjustment 2 column, debit column, credit column, adjusted trial balance, debit column, credit balance, credit column, debit column, credit column, and income statement, debit column, credit column, balance sheet, debit column, credit column. Okay, dear learner. Next we copy the trial balance from your question paper. You see question paper, again you see question paper. Question paper, you see trial balance. This trial balance, at first this trial balance copy and then cut and paste in our worksheet trial balance. Okay. Account title, trial balance, debit column and credit column, paste now on worksheet. Worksheet, our worksheet 2 page, this is first page and this is last page. Trial balance total amount 23 lakh, debit column and credit column 23 lakh taka. Next step adjustment, it was our online class. Dear learner, adjustment, let's take a look adjustment entries. Our 4 adjustment entries, it was our adjustment entries again. Number 1 insurance expenses, prepaid insurance. Number 2 salaries expenses, salaries payable. Number 3 depreciation expenses, accumulated depreciation. Number 4 supplies expenses, supplies. Your account title prepaid insurance. You see prepaid insurance. Prepaid insurance policy is 5 years, 1,80,000 divided by 5, 36,000 this year. Prepaid expenses account debit, prepaid insurance account credit 36,000. Okay. Account title in our worksheet prepaid insurance and adjustment column, credit column 36,000, and next page you see debit column insurance expenses 36,000 taka. Okay, understand? Next, salaries expenses. Salaries expenses account title in trial balance, salaries expenses 4,80,000 and adjustment 20,000 payable. This adjusting entry, salaries expenses account debit, salaries payable account credit. Account title in trial balance, salaries expenses have adjustment column 20,000, but salaries payable, you see salaries payable immediate below the trial balance account title, we write salaries payable adjustment credit column 20,000. Okay. Next, depreciation expenses. Adjusting entries, depreciation expenses account debit, accumulated depreciation account credit. Our trial balance account title, account accumulated depreciation of office equipment, and below the trial balance we write depreciation expenses account. Adjusting entry, depreciation expenses account debit, adjustment debit column 30,000 and accumulated depreciation account credit, adjustment column credit 30,000. Now supplies expenses taka 90,000. You know supplies taka, supplies on hand in trial balance taka 1,20,000, 1,20,000 and supplies expenses taka 90,000. Supplies on hand trial balance taka 1,20,000 and supplies expenses taka 90,000. This adjusting entry, supplies expenses account debit, supplies on hand or supplies account credit, supplies expenses below trial balance, you see next page, supplies expenses adjustment column 90,000, debit column and supplies expenses account adjustment debit column 90,000 and supplies account credit adjustment column 90,000. Okay. Again I talk with you supplies on hand and supplies expenses. Supplies expenses journal entries, adjusting entries, supplies expenses account debit, supplies account credit. Our trial balance account title supplies on hand and below trial balance we write supplies expenses account. Supplies expenses account debit taka 90,000 adjustment debit column and supplies on hand adjustment credit column 90,000. Okay. Total taka adjustment column debit column 1,76,000 taka and adjustment credit column total taka 1,76,000 taka. Okay dear learner, understand? Our next step number 3, adjusted trial balance. You know completed trial balance adjustment and next step adjusted trial balance we prepare. Adjusted trial balance column trial balance adjustment combination. You watch our worksheet, trial balance column, adjustment column and adjusted trial balance column. Already trial balance column cash 4 lakh taka, there is no adjustment. So adjusted trial balance taka debit 4 lakh taka. Account receivable trial balance debit column 2,20,000 taka and there is no adjustment. So adjusted trial balance debit column 2,20,000 taka. Next, prepaid insurance trial balance debit column 1,80,000 taka and adjustment 36,000 taka. So 1,80,000 minus 36,000, 1,44,000 taka adjusted trial balance. Salaries expenses 4,80,000 taka, adjustment debit 20,000 taka, 4,80,000 plus 20,000 equal 5 lakh taka adjustment trial balance debit column. Office equipment 4 lakh taka in trial balance, no adjustment. So adjusted trial balance debit column 4 lakh taka. Accumulated depreciation of office equipment credit column 40,000 taka, adjustment credit column 30,000 taka. For 40,000 taka plus 30,000 taka equal 70,000 taka credit taka. Accounts payable trial balance taka 60,000, no adjustment. So adjusted trial balance taka 60,000. Capital trial balance credit column 8 lakh taka, no adjustment. So adjusted trial balance taka 8 lakh taka. Drawing 1,60,000 taka in trial balance debit column, no adjustment. So adjusted trial balance 1,60,000 debit column. Okay, dear learner, now our worksheet second page. You see service revenue trial balance 14 lakh taka, no adjustment. So adjusted trial balance 14 lakh taka. Next, advertisement expenses trial balance 80,000 taka, no adjustment. So adjusted trial balance 80,000 taka. Rent expenses 1,80,000 taka, no adjustment. So adjusted trial balance 1,80,000 taka. Miscellaneous expenses 80,000 taka, no adjustment. So adjusted trial balance 80,000 taka. Next, you see below the trial balance, immediate below the trial balance you see insurance expenses adjustment column 36,000 taka, adjusted trial balance debit column 36,000 taka. Salaries payable adjustment credit column 20,000 taka, adjusted trial balance and credit column 20,000 taka. Depreciation expenses adjustment debit column 30,000 taka, adjusted trial balance 30,000 taka. Supplies expenses adjusted column debit 90,000 taka, adjusted trial balance 90,000 taka. Okay, adjusted trial balance debit column total 23,50,000 taka and credit column 23,50,000 taka. Okay, dear learner, understand? Okay, next, income statement. Income statement step is our number 4 step. Number 4 step, income statement. You see debit column, salaries expenses taka 5 lakh taka. Only expense and revenue insert our income statement. Remember, only revenue and expense insert in our income statement. Revenue insert in our income statement credit column, and expenses insert in our income statement debit column. You see salaries expenses taka, adjusted trial balance debit column 5 lakh, so income statement debit column 5 lakh. Next page, service revenue income statement credit column, adjusted trial balance credit column 14 lakh, so income statement credit column 14 lakh. Advertisement expenses adjusted trial balance 80,000, so income statement debit column 80,000. Rent expenses 1,80,000, income statement debit column 1,80,000. And miscellaneous expenses, you see miscellaneous expenses 80,000, adjusted trial balance debit column 80,000, so income statement debit column 80,000. On the other hand, immediate below our trial balance, account title insurance expenses adjusted trial balance 36,000, income statement debit column 36,000. Next, salaries payable, you see salaries payable adjusted trial balance credit column 20,000. So salaries payable is liabilities, there is no income statement related. Next, depreciation expenses adjusted trial balance debit column 30,000, and adjusted income statement debit column 30,000. Depreciation expenses 30,000. Supplies expenses, you see supplies expenses 90,000, and income statement debit column 90,000. Difference between debit and credit column are profit or loss. You see income statement credit column total 14 lakh, and debit column difference 4,00,000. So credit column is large amount 14 lakh. Dear learner, credit column total and debit column total difference profit or loss. Our credit column 14 lakh and debit column 80,000 at first, you see 5 lakh, next 80,000, 1,80,000, 80,000, 36,000, 30,000, 90,000. So difference 4,04,000. This is net income. You see net income 4,04,000. Okay, net income 4,04,000. Our next step number 5, balance sheet. Balance sheet debit column and credit column. First page, you see our worksheet, cash, trial balance and adjusted trial balance. You see we follow adjusted trial balance. Adjusted trial balance cash debit 4 lakh. So balance sheet debit column taka 4 lakh. Adjusted trial balance account receivable 2,20,000. So balance sheet debit column 2,20,000. Supplies on hand 1 lakh. Prepaid insurance 1,80,000. 1,80,000. Adjustment 36,000. So adjusted trial balance 1,44,000. So balance sheet debit column 1,44,000. Next, supplies on hand, adjusted trial balance 30,000, balance sheet 30,000. Next, office equipment adjusted trial balance 5 lakh, 4 lakh, office equipment adjusted trial balance 4 lakh. So balance sheet debit column 4 lakh. Accumulated depreciation adjusted trial balance 70,000. So balance sheet credit column 70,000. Accounts payable 60,000, so credit 60,000. Capital, you see at first trial balance 8 lakh, no adjustment, adjusted trial balance 8 lakh, so balance sheet credit 8 lakh. Next drawing adjusted trial balance debit column 1,60,000, so balance sheet debit column 1,60,000. Next second page, you see salaries payable adjusted trial balance credit column 20,000, so balance sheet credit column 20,000. Next you see net income, difference between debit column and credit column in income statement 4,04,000, so 4,04,000 net income, balance sheet credit column 4,04,000. Now balance sheet total debit column 13,54,000 and credit column 13,54,000. Okay, total balance sheet total debit column 13,54,000 and credit column 13,54,000. Both column total are equal. Okay, understand? We have completed worksheet. Any problem, any question? Have you any question, any problem? You comment me please. Understand? Our dear learner, our worksheet is completed. Any question, any problem? No. Okay, dear learner. Thank you very much for your joining. Attentive and carefully watch to our online class. Now dear learner, I gave you some homework. Homework is very essential for you. You homework completed and learned many things. Your homework, write the name of the step in preparing worksheet. I hope you complete homeworks next online class. Dear learner, you stay at home and safety and was in our online class. Thank you very much. Next, see you again next class inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.